I may say J1 TV straight, the one I like a line and I make up back on the roll.
And them for know the great one, the Spain Dan. I may say Brooklyn, may say Lauriston, may say Della Vega, may say Paper, but some may then left it in a tree.
I don't know, I'm going to boom now. I will do this, I'm going to represent, you know what I mean? You know, West is the sunny, you know what I mean? Straight up, you know what I mean? Sun is well pumping like, whoa, you know what I mean? Straight up, so right now, I'm just here, you know what I mean? Straight up, I go and do the thing and make the thing possible, you know what I mean? Right now, I want to say, yo, give thanks to see you next day, you know what I mean? Because you never live to see a day like this.
True.
You understand? And right now, so it's on hot, man, you know what I mean? Sorry to all your Americans right now, you know what I mean? We're in the snow right now.
Freezing.
The snow is like, you know what I mean? Freezing y'all. You know what I mean? Straight up. What do we say right now? Israel, big up yourself, man.
Straight up.
Yeah. Alright, now I'm going to boom now. I'm going to big up some people like from Europe. You know what I mean? You don't know bear, man. Big up yourself, same way. You understand? I'm going to big up Santilla them from out of Italy, same way. You know what I mean?
Same way.
I mean, it's a crazy day. Big up yourself, same way. You understand?
Same
I'm going to big up DJ Soma from out of Japan. You know what I mean? Because what? We have to show respect to ones and all, you know what I mean? We make the thing possible. You understand?
Yeah, piece of your face.
Burn right now on a level you don't know. You don't know the bleaching kind of turn up. You know what I mean? Burning up. You know what I mean? What? We have to give thanks to the sun, see me. I know so yo the thing 100 see me because right now you have a lot of tourists right now, you know what I mean? Is leaving from America.
Coming to Jamaica.
Coming to Jamaica because you know what I mean, the snow is like freezing up there. Man.
Freezing, below 0 degrees.
Know what I mean? See it. So right now we just there where I represent, man, you know what I mean? Because this is the thing there.
It's last year.
Yeah, we there a yard, you know what I say, a yard there. When I say yard, I mean physically yard.
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 No Haiti, no Cuba, no Bahamas, no Bahama.
When I say
Or
yard,
Barbados.
when I say yard, I don't mean Jamaica yard, I mean my yard.
In the yard.
You understand? So
Aye,
I just do it, see me, man. We just go and represent, you know what I mean?
Same way.
And big up everybody, see me, man.
Same way.
Give thanks to life, Father God.
Ja.
You know what I mean?
Rastafari.
Make a day after day. You know what I mean? R.I.P. to the one them on the day after day, you know what I mean?
Alright, same way.
R.I.P. to all of my friends them with drop out, family with drop out, see me. Enemy with drop out, see me.
Same way.
That's how we do it, you know.
Same way.
That's how we show we respect, see me.
Same
As
way.
I say again, see me, Israel, just pick up yourself because I don't know you.
Yes, great one. Big up. Strike.
Right.
But from your gun, me can hardly sleep. It's like me still in a denial. Cause me can't believe. All I got is just memories. That's why I'm singing these melodies. From your gun, me can hardly sleep.